Hey everybody, this is Mike with UTV Stereo. Just wanted to show you our new Gen 2 second battery kit for the Can-Am X3. Well, come on with me and we'll show you how to put it in. Alright, we're going to start with removal of the stock battery. Alright, now that we've got the stock battery removed, we're going to go ahead and get our wires prepped to put on the batteries. So you're going to take the two blue wires that came with the kit, and we're going to tape up one end of them temporarily, so nothing short circuits. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and hook up the positive wires to our batteries. Alright, now we're going to take the taped ends of the two wires for the accessory battery and attach those to the positive terminal. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and put the mount in and prep the holes. And you can take your isolator and mount that as well. All right, now on the isolator, before we mount it to the wall, we're going to hook up the trigger wires. Now you will notice on the isolator wires, one wire is longer than the other. That was done on purpose so that the wires would route properly. Alright, now that we've got the mount in and drilled, we're going to go ahead and put the screws in. At this point, it'd be a good idea to have a helper to get the bolts run into the car. Okay, Ruben, if you want to go ahead and put that one in from the bottom. Alright, now we're going to mount the isolator. Alright, now we can go ahead and hook up our battery positive wires to our isolator. All right, now that you have your isolator and your high current wires run to the front, we're going to go ahead and mount the distribution block for the high current wire. All right, we're going to go ahead and hook up our high current wire to the new post we just put in. All right, now we're going to go ahead and hook up our accessory and ground wires to the factory jump post. All right, keep in mind when you're wiring up your accessories, all of your power wires need to go to the new post we just put in. So that way they can run off of the second battery correctly. Do not hook anything to the factory power wire. It will draw power off of your stock battery. All right, now that everything is all hooked up, we can go ahead and do our ground wires on our batteries. We're going to start on the secondary battery. And that's it. Thanks for joining us for our install video on the Gen 2 second battery kit for the Can-Am X3. See you guys next time.